Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hold ukulele chords so they actually sound good. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that your ukulele is nicely tuned. Once you make sure that it's tuned, you'll be good to go. Now, a lot of people, when they start learning to play a guitar or a ukulele or any type of string instrument, okay, you can name any string instrument, they all pretty much require the same basic skills with regards to holding the notes down and letting the notes ring out. And if you don't know those skills that I'm going to show you right now, your notes won't sound good, your chords won't sound good. So I'm going to play a very simple chord, and what I'll do is I'll make it, like this, right? If you play it and you hear a lot of staccato, a lot of muting, it's because your fingers are not pressing down hard enough and they're not curved enough on that fretboard. I'll play a different note right here, but I'll play it improperly. You hear that? Doesn't sound good, right? If I push a little bit harder, doesn't sound good. If your notes are sounding like that, this is the video for you. Okay? This is what it should sound like. Hear that? All the strings. Oh, try that one more time. There we go. All the strings are ringing out, okay? You need to make sure that all of the strings are ringing out. That's how you know you're going to get a beautiful sound from that ukulele, okay? Very, very simple. Very, very easy to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it throughout this video. Okay, so basically, when you know the fingering of the note or the chord that you are going to play, you can easily do it properly by using a few key steps. So the first thing is figuring out which strings have to have frets pressed down on them. So I'll do a very, very simple chord over here. Just this bottom string with the third fret. You can practice this at home, okay? And what you're going to do is just press that down. If I don't press down hard enough, right, you can hear it's not really ringing out that much. If I press down harder, much better, right? So that sounds better. Much better. Now the key here is my thumb is pressing down against the back of the neck of the fretboard. Okay, so this is your fretboard over here. This is the back of the fretboard. I call it the neck of the fretboard. I could be wrong. That's just what I've grown up calling it. And essentially my thumb is pressing against this nice and firmly, and my finger is pressing that string on that fret that I'm choosing right here, and I'm pressing it firmly, and you can see I have this curved approach with my finger, you can see right there. And when you press it firmly and you're not interfering with any other strings, you get a beautiful sound. Now let's go to a more complex note, a more complex chord, something that requires 3 fingers on the bottom 3 strings, okay? So with 3 fingers, I'm going to be placing my fingers like this on the bottom 3 strings, okay? And with each finger, as you can see right here, I am trying to curve them enough so that you can, I'm just trying to show you, I'm trying to curve them enough that there's a gap right there. You can see the gap right over there. That gap means that I'm not interfering with any other strings, and it's going to sound good. Now, I'm trying to do this in video mode, so I'm not really focusing on the ukulele, but when you focus properly, you're going to get a beautiful sound. Yeah, I'm just dancing. We're dancing the night away over here. Anyways, it's not night, it's evening. As you can see, it's still light outside. It's getting dark. Anyways, that is essentially how to hold ukulele chords so that they sound good. You need your thumb being pressed on the back of the fretboard nice and firmly. You need a firm press on those strings. And the third factor is make sure you're not interfering with any other strings. Because if my fingers are resting on the strings like this, they're not going to ring out. You want the strings to ring out like that. So that's basically it. 3 factors: thumb pressed against the back of the fretboard, curved finger approach, and pressing nice and firmly against those strings on those frets that you need for that specific chord. That's it. That is how to hold ukulele chords so they actually sound good. A full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.